What is the craze about ECX, about e-commerce, about drop shipping, about Amazon stores? What is going on with these different ways of creating incomes, with these different ways of opening up your own online automated stores and creating passive income with them? So basically, ECX is e-commerce. So e-commerce, this is a way for you to have a store without actually needing to have a physical store. You don't have to go, rent out some place in a plaza or anything like that. This is a way for you to be able to sell products without ever having to actually hold these products, without ever having to actually touch these products or ever having to ever package anything, send it out through UPS and stuff like that. This is basically, you have customers, right? You have people who they see an item that they like on your store, on your website. Say it's this fidget spinner. So you're selling fidget spinners. So when somebody orders this fidget spinner, instead of you having to package it, having to deliver and all that stuff, the people at the warehouse, they directly send it to the customer who ordered this fidget spinner, and you never have to touch it. Nothing. You never have to touch it. It directly goes from that warehouse to the customer. You make your money, they make their money and whatnot. And that's basically what e-commerce is, what ECX is. And now I'm going to go into what is IM Academy. So IM Academy is basically, it's an academy. It's an educational platform that teaches you how to create different sources of income. Currently, it teaches you how to make 5 different sources of income. The average millionaire has 7 sources of income. So just think about that. This is a company that teaches you different ways to create income. I've been in this company for about a year now. I've been able to create multiple different streams of income, been able to make good money within this company. And what they're doing is they're actually teaching people how to get into ECX, how to, get started, how to open up your own online business, how to open up your own online store. So what is going on right now is huge. It's absolutely massive. And, just really take advantage of this, because ECX, e-commerce, is something that, a lot of people have heard of, but really majority of people have no idea what they're doing. And what we're doing here is we're taking professionals, people who are making 6, 7 figures through ECX, through e-commerce, and they're educating you on how you can get started, how you can open up your own store. We're also offering different tools that are going to be teaching you, what to sell, what's trending right now, really just different ways to be able to analyze what's going on in the economy right now, and just seeing, okay, so what's selling right now? Is it food? Is it electronics? Is it fidget spinners? Is it a TV remote? You know what I mean? So one of the tools that we have is actually called ROAS. So ROAS basically tells you, this item is trending. Go sell this. Go sell this right now. You're going to be able to make money with this right now. Put it up on your online store, put out ads and stuff like that. And we have another massive product, which is called the Pixel Tracker. So the Pixel Tracker, so, when you're online, you're on Instagram and stuff like that, you're scrolling through and then you see an ad. You see an ad for something that you just said to your buddy or whatever. We all know that our phones listen to us. They pick up on what we say. So say you're talking about ECX, and then boom, this ECX video pops up in your feed on YouTube. Wow, that's basically what the Pixel Tracker does. So whenever people, they're searching up different things, they're searching up different products and stuff like that, there is a higher likeliness for whatever you're selling to come up for them. So say you're selling fidget spinners, this guy mentions fidget spinners, fidget spinners, your website comes up. You know what I'm saying? An ad for your website comes up, something like that. You get the point. But there's so much more, and there's not even enough time for me to really go into depth on. I was saying there's more to this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my Instagram, I'm going to put my phone number, and I'm most likely going to put a Discord server link in the description of this video. So you're going to have a couple different ways to reach out to me. And before I go, I just want to put this scenario into your head. So you go to work, you get paid and whatnot. And let's say you put 20% of what you make at work into a savings account. So now imagine taking that 20% that you normally put into a savings account, where it's literally just devaluing as inflation happens, and instead reinvesting that into something that's going to make you more money. Taking that and putting it into ads for your store, reinvesting it into, different products for your store, and being able to take that extra 20% that you normally make and being able to double that, being able to take $200 to $400, being able to take $2,000 to $4,000. You get the point. Anyways, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to really tap into this and really just be able to create that extra stream of income, be able to start making revenue from ECX, from e-commerce, from drop shipping.